Alright, YouTube, food reviews with John the Picker. We got another great value pizza in the house. This time, instead of pepperoni pizza, we got supreme, topped with tomato sauce, whole milk, mozzarella cheese, Italian sausage, pepperoni, red peppers, green peppers, onions, and black olives. Oh yeah. Walmart's coming through. Walmart's coming through with another pizza. We love the pizzas. And we also got Arbys seasoned curly fries.
Oh yeah.
We like Arbys seasoned curly fries. Arbys has the meats. You know that 1 in 6 children in America lack access to the food they need every day? I don't know. Arbys is going to do something about that. We like Arbys big times. I went and got a whole bag of friggin' curly fries. My kid recommended it. My kid recommended Arbys curly fries. Now I'm going to open up this great value pizza and get this stuff in the oven. I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. The Arbys curly fries. Got them on the friggin' pan with the pizza. We're going to throw this in the oven and test this beast out. Walmart makes a pretty good pizza. Check that out. Lots of ingredients on there. Looks nice and fresh, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to pop this in. Show you it in a second. Alright guys, the Walmart Great Value Rising Crust Supreme Pizza is done in the picker hood. I need to take some pizza cutting lessons. What? It's pretty good friggin' pizza. The curly fries are good too. They taste just like curly fries if I fried them instead of baked them. Look at that crust. Dog must have smelled the pizza. It's good. I don't like the olives. I don't like olives. What? It's the only thing I don't like is olives. But I'll tolerate them, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm John the Picker. John the Picker's Food Reviews. I'm out.